Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix apps not downloading. And I have some solutions. The first solution is click here on your own Apple account, scroll down to the bottom and click on sign out if that is possible. Because if you re-sign with your Apple account, many times it will solve the problem. So that's the first solution. Then we go back and we go to screen time. Then from here we scroll down and we click on content and privacy restrictions. And then right now we click on app installations and purchases. And then we click on installing apps and make sure that you have this on allow. Then we go back and we click on App Store and make sure that you have this on allow too. So right now if you go back and we go to allowed apps and features, make sure that you have everything turned on. So this is the second solution. Right now, if we throw this away, you need to go to settings and go to Wi-Fi and need to be sure that your Wi-Fi connection is very good or strong. So you can also decide to download it on your mobile data, but maybe if you turn this one off and then turn it on and reconnect with your Wi-Fi, it will probably download. So these are the three big solutions and hopefully I could help you out. Alright, these were the three solutions and hopefully I could help you out. For now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.